What are you doing? So, I'll hold this and you scoop like this, okay? Scoop. Good. Keep going. No, not yet. Yogurt.
Mouth.
You put the yogurt in your mouth?
Yeah.
Okay, it's not sweet though. Try it.
Papa. Mama.
Want Mama to lick it?
Papa.
Okay, now we put a little tiny bit of this, okay? A tiny, tiny bit. There we go. This is vanilla. Can you say vanilla?
Yum, yummy.
No. Leave that out. No, we don't need the spoon anymore. Now we put the lid on. Put it on here. Yeah, you can press the bouton. Just hold on. Simon. Good job. It's ready.
Hi.
Would you like some?
Yeah. Good.
Be careful.
Tita.
Is it good?
Papa.
You want Papa to have some too?
Yeah. Mama.
I'll have some too.
Bye, Simon. Say bye-bye to the camera.